Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you the 2023 BMW M3 50th Anniversary Edition, or the Jahre M. And you can see here that it's optioned with carbon fiber accents all around. It also has iDrive 8 and a lot of custom. Now, one thing I noticed that is kind of like my E36 M3 is the stitching or the M colors on the seats. And what's new is here the new display, and then the most important thing here is that it shows you that it's one of 500 on the carbon fiber area here between the two seats. So this one is Interlagos Blue. It's a very special color for a lot of people, and it definitely looks great and has a great presence. So you can also see the rear diffuser and the spoiler are in carbon fiber. This one is also iDrive and should really be able to put the power down. So here's what the exhaust sounds like.